Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials of what is a mortgage, especially in the context of 2025, where financial tech is evolving rapidly. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or just curious about real estate, this quick guide will break it down for you. At its core, a mortgage is a loan from a bank or lender that allows you to buy a property, like a house or condo. You borrow a large sum of money and agree to pay it back over time, typically 15 to 30 years, with added interest. The property itself serves as collateral, meaning if you fail to make payments, the lender could foreclose and take ownership. Let me walk you through how it works. First, you put down a deposit, often 20% of the property's value, to secure the loan and avoid extra insurance costs. The lender then covers the rest, and you'll make monthly payments that include both principal, the borrowed amount, and interest. In 2025, mortgages have gotten a tech boost. With AI and digital platforms, getting approved is faster and more streamlined, but regulations are tighter for consumer protection. There are different types to consider. A fixed-rate mortgage keeps your interest rate steady, making budgeting straightforward, while an adjustable-rate mortgage starts lower but can change with market fluctuations. Great if rates drop, but risky if they rise. The perks of a mortgage are huge. It lets you build equity over time, meaning you own more of the home as you pay it off, and property values might appreciate, turning it into an investment. Plus, in many places, mortgage interest is tax-deductible, offering financial savings. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Risks include high interest rates that could make payments unaffordable, especially with economic uncertainty. Always factor in your budget, job stability, and potential fees before committing. To wrap it up, understanding mortgages is key to smart homeownership in 2025. If you're thinking about buying, consult a financial advisor and get pre-approved. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions.